If you have a WhatsApp group and you're still sharing your link randomly in comments, statuses, or DMs, you're doing way too much work for very little result. Let me show you a smarter way to share your WhatsApp group and actually get real members. It's called GroupsOP.com. Open Google, type GroupsOP.com. Now, instead of spamming your link everywhere, you're going to put your group in front of people who are already searching to join groups like yours. Here's how it works. On the homepage, click Add WhatsApp Group or Channel. You'll see a simple form. First, paste your WhatsApp group or channel link. Then choose the right category: business, jobs, gaming, study, movies, crypto, friends, whatever fits your group. After that, select your country and then your language. This step is important because it helps the right people find your group, not random users. You can also add a few tags and a short description so people know exactly what your group is about before joining. Once everything looks good, just click Submit. And here's the best part. Your WhatsApp group goes live instantly on GroupsOP. No login, no approval waiting, no delays. Now your group appears in search results when users browse categories, countries, and languages, and those users are already interested. After submission, you'll get your own public group page on GroupsOP. You can share that page link anywhere: WhatsApp status, Instagram bio, Facebook, Telegram, and it looks clean and professional. So instead of begging people to join, you let people who actually want your content find you. That's the difference. So if you want to share your WhatsApp group the right way, not the spammy way, use GroupsOP. Add your group once and let it grow on its own. GroupsOP.com. Share smarter, grow faster.